Hello everybody, and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise in a lesson format for easy learning and understanding. You can pause the videos and practice the new words by yourself. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills, and using English in a one-to-one role-play technique. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 6. Short vowels. Ip, it, and ix sounds. Ip. It. Ix. Ip. Ip, ip, dip. Dip. Ip, ip, lip. Lip. Ip, ip, ship. Ship. It. It, hit. Hit. It, knit. Knit. It, sit. Sit. Hit, knit, sit. Ix. Ix, fix. Fix. Ix, mix. Mix. Ix, six. Six. Fix, mix, six. Listen and say the sentence. I dip the brush into the paint. I dip the brush into the paint. A kid bumped his lip. A kid bumped his lip. I can fix the ship. I can fix the ship. I hit the ball. I hit the ball. Grandma likes to knit. Grandma likes to knit. They sit on the bench. They sit on the bench. I mix flour and water. I mix flour and water. I can see 6 birds. I can see 6 birds. Let's review the phonics sounds. Ip, ip, dip. Ip, ip, lip. Ip, ip, ship. Dip, lip, ship. It, hit. It, knit. It, sit. Hit, knit, sit. X, fix. X, mix. X, 6. Fix, mix, 6. We're at the end of our lesson. You did a great job. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.